Hello, amazing David Urey families. We are so excited to share some exciting news with you from our third grade team. You are going to be receiving a book and some cards and dice to help you work with your child at home. All of this information is going to be sent home with your child from school. The book, the dice, the handouts, everything your child will receive and will be bringing them home. What I ask is that you just watch this next couple of videos, and the third grade teachers are going to explain to you what it is that you're going to be getting.
Hello, DYE family. The third grade team is coming to give you tips and suggestions to help your child with reading. Here at school, we have been reading Peter Pan, a classic novel, and they've been enjoying looking at all those characters, learning about them, and using adjectives to describe them, whether they're jealous or bored or just scared. And they've been able to answer a lot of questions about the chapters. The third grade team is so excited to help with reading at home that each third grader will be receiving Ramona Quimby, age 8, for you guys to read at home together as a family. It's very important that they read aloud, and you can practice this with them. To help practice reading at home so they can become a better reader, you will receive a handout. It has a front and back. On the front, it will give you questions to ask your child when reading fiction text, like who is the main character? What's the setting? What's the problem? How does the character change? Make predictions on what will happen next. You can also ask the title of the story. Do they like the title? Do they like the story in of itself? Can they relate to that story? Then on the other side, there are questions for nonfiction text. Again, the main idea. Before reading, you can ask what they already know about the topic. You can look at features such as pictures, diagrams, photographs, labels to find more information. You can also determine whether that was a good title for the text as well, and so many more questions. All of these questions will work well for any fiction or nonfiction book. The third grade team is just so excited again to help promote reading at home. Please read every night with your child one of the books that they will enjoy. We hope this helps. Please contact your teacher, your child's teacher, for more information or if you need more assistance.
Thank you so much to Ms. Tyus for getting that to us and sharing that information. I can't wait for your children to get their books and read them with you out loud. Again, she shared some suggestions that are great for any book, but we can't wait to hear how they enjoy Ramona. Now, we are going to show you some math activities that you'll be able to do.
Hi, third grade parents. You will be getting this book with lots of math games and a set of 2 die, or dice as we call them. Mrs. Levitt and I are going to demonstrate how to play this game. It is about area.
Okay, so for this area game, I'm going to have my 2 die or dice, and I'm going to roll those. And I got a 6 and a 4, so I'm going to use that as my length and my width for the area. So I want to use up as much paper as I can. And so I'm just going to start in the corner over here, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the other side. So my length and my width are 6 and 4. And then I write down what I got in the area of that rectangle. Okay.
All right, so for my turn, I have a 6 and a 3, and I am going to go next to we know whose is whose.
All right. Now it's my turn again. I'll roll. Oh, 6 and 4 again. I'm just that lucky, I suppose. I'm just gonna keep going with what I have. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4.
Okay, so my last turn, I had 2 times 7. As we get this board completely filled in as much as we can, we come back and add our areas. So this would be 18, this would be 14.
And then both of these would be 24.
And so then we would add, she would have 48, I would only have 32. So Mrs. Lovett is the winner.
But your goal is to fill up the entire grid paper before you add up your areas.
All right, parents, you will also be getting this booklet with games to use with a deck of cards. And we are going to demonstrate place value, or each person will flip over 4 cards. We make the highest, greatest number possible. Whoever has the highest number gets all the cards. All right, so we have taken out the face cards. The ace can be used as a 1. All right. Okay, to make it easier, I'm going to arrange mine so we can compare. Mine is 8871, and you have?
8,865.
And mine's 8,871, so I get these cards.
Her number of place value cards was higher than mine.
All right, let's try one more. Yeah. Okay. All right, I have 8,771.
8,742.
All right.
Again.
I win this game then.
We're so excited about all the stuff that your child's going to bring home with them. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, please reach out to your child's teacher. If you need more help with anything else that they can't provide, be sure my name's Heather Kawiza, and you are more than welcome to reach out to me. Again, all of this that they're going to be getting is going to be coming home in their backpacks, so be sure to look for it. Thank you.